Hello everyone, my name is Hayon. Today I will present our work analysis of archaeological artifacts using drawings. First, we will start with a quick quiz. For each image, try to guess which shape is engraved on the artifact. Good luck. Archaeology benefits society through understanding of the past. A core task in the domain is to look for similar artifacts which may reveal relations, commerce, and connections between countries and cultures. The current practice is to live through thousands of pages. Instead, performing this task utilizing computer vision could take minutes. Archaeology is an intriguing domain for computer vision. It suffers not only from shortage in labeled data, but also from highly challenging data, which is often extremely damaged, as you can see in these examples, while items of the same class are not very consistent, since the artifacts are handcrafted. Here, all of the engravings contain different types of lions, but they are all belong to the same class by shape of a lion. The second example shows us a case where different shapes are belong to the same period. A major task in archaeology is to classify artifacts by different criteria. Our goal is to classify artifacts either by shape or period. We also generate drawings of artifacts, which is a common visual documentation in archaeology. Our paper made three contributions. First, we propose a novel semi-supervised multimodal method. The model can be used for image classification and retrieval either by shape or by period. Our model can also be used for drawings generation. Last but not least, we present a novel dataset, the corpus of the stem cells of the Southern Levant, which is called CSSL. We will now elaborate on our method. The first contribution is our novel method. Sometimes these images are associated with drawings created by special archaeological artists. These drawings consist of clear edges and superior quality, but are not necessarily aligned. As an example for that, you can see the example on the right of the scarab of the lion. Despite that, when paired images and drawings are available during training, image representation is improved. We train the fully connected layers for classification with a cross-entropy loss, one for drawings and the other for images. The goal is to improve both drawing and image embedding. The generation loss takes into account the distance between the reconstructed drawing and the original drawing. We use both the L2 norm and the perceptual loss to do that. A major contribution of our paper is a novel dataset of pairs of images and drawings of ancient Egyptian scarabs called CSSL. The third contribution, the dataset. This is the first dataset that contains paired images and drawings of any class of archaeological artifacts. Our dataset contains 6,636 pairs of drawings and images. 1,020 of them are classified by shape. 955 pairs are labeled by period, and 820 by sub-periods. We will show here two of the experiments we evaluated our method on, which are classification and retrieval by shape and by period in a twofold setup on our dataset. The strength of our second contribution is shown by our experiments. Our method is general and can utilize a variety of backbones. It outperforms all previous methods when compared on the same backbone. Our method also outperforms for periods classification. These are examples for drawings generation made by our model for multiple scarabs from the dataset. At the top row you can see the original images, and at the bottom you can see our results. As shown, we present a novel method for training with images and drawings used for classification, retrieval, and generation. We also introduce a new challenging dataset called CSSL. Thank you very much for listening.